VS 220.
Dallas 502, contact Toronto, arrival 9132 decimal 8, good day.
328, Dallas 502, thank you.
Jazz 362 has a film safe, Delta.
Thanks, it always does, about an 8 mile final for you coming up.
Arrival is Dallas 502, checking in just about to level 7000.
Dallas 502, arrival landing 24 left, altimeter 3025, this is Alpha, descend to 4000.
Send to 4000, and we've got Alpha Dallas 502.
4000.
4000 set.
Arrival Porter 166, 8000 feet, 220.
Porter 166, arrival landing runways 24 left, altimeter 3025, this is Alpha, descend 7000.
Descend 7000, 24 left, Alpha Porter 166.
Roger. Jazz 362, turn left 360, heading, descend 3000.
Left 360 down to 3000, Jazz 362.
Roger. Jazz 362, turn left heading 330.
Left 330, Jazz 362.
Porter 166, descend to 5000.
Descend 5000, Porter 166.
Roger.
VS.
Check. Good evening, Arrival Jazz 481, level 7000, with Alpha.
Check.
First Jazz 362, turn left 270 heading intercept, clear visual approach, runway 24 left.
Left 270 intercept, clear the visual 24 left, Jazz 362.
Jazz 41, arrival landing 24 left, the altimeter 3025, and the ATIS is Alpha, descend 6000.
6000, expecting 24 left, Jazz 841.
Dallas 502, descend to 3000, clear the Dallas approach, runway 24 left, speed 1909.
Okay, 180 knots, descend to 3000, and clear the LS 24 left, Dallas 502.
3000.
Jazz 362, 170
Box
knots
one.
or greater until the QRX, over QRX, contact tower 11835.
170 QRX and tower there, Jazz 362, have a good day.
237 runway heading set, speed 190.
Check.
3000 for missed approach set.
Check.
Porter 166, descend to 3000, clear the Alice approach, runway 24 left, 190 knots or greater.
Box 5.
Descend 3000, Carlos 24 left, 190 greater, Porter 166.
Jazz 481, descend to 5000.
5000 now, Jazz 481.
Arrival Jazz 264 with you, 9000 information, Alpha.
Jazz 264, arrival landing 24 left, altimeter 3025, ATIS is Alpha, descend to 8000.
Descend 8000, 3025, Jazz 264.
Dallas 502, speed 170 knots or greater until QRX, over QRX, contact tower 11835.
R 170 or greater, 1835 over QRX, Dallas 502.
Roger.
Alright.
Jet 41, leave 5000 on glide path, clear the ILS approach for 24 left.
51 glide path, clear ILS 24 left, yes, 481.
Enter.
Gear down, please. Flaps 15.
Bravo Rouge 1833 is with you, just leveling 11,000. We
checklist
have
one.
Alpha.
Rouge 1833, arrival, landing runways 24 left, altimeter 3025, 8 assist Alpha, descend 900,000.
Okay, 24 left, 3025, descent 900,000, Rouge 1833.
Arm green light.
Landing gear.
Down 3 green.
Okay, holding at the flaps.
Check. Kirex, flaps 30, please.
Flaps 30. Kirex,
147.
2000. Instruments checked.
Check.
Using down, Dauntless 502. Kirex, final 24 left.
Dallas 502, Toronto Tower, good evening. Number 2-8 touching down, wind 160 at 4, clear to land, runway 24 left.
Clear to land, Dauntless 502. Lights are on. Okay, sorry, you said flaps 1? Okay.
Air Canada 745 Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, Air Canada 745. And flaps.
30, green light.
Alright, landing checklist is complete.
Check. Thousand feet set, Mr. Approach
1,000
altitude.
feet. Info 3,000 feet set, stable.
Check. Auto throttle autopilot coming off.
Check.
362, exit Delta 4, cross runway 24 right, contact ground 129.
Approaching 24 left.
Check 24 left.
Delta 4, cross 24 right, ground 21.9, Jazz 362, good night. Air Canada 745, wind 1606, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff runway 23, Air Canada 745.
500.
One contact departure 1288, good night.
88 Air Transit plus 51, good night.
Tower Porter 166, ILS 24 left. Porter 166, Toronto Tower, number 2737, mile final, wind 1604, clear to land runway 24 left.
Clear to land,
Air Canada 793, Tower, line up runway 23.
Above.
Runway 23, Air Canada 793.
Minimums.
Decide.
Continue.
Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brakes up.
Check.
Versus normal.
Check. Manual braking.
60 knots.
Check. Delta 4.
Dallas 502, cross runway 24 right and left into Charlie 4, contact ground 129.
Cross 24 right, Charlie 4, 219, done. This is 502.
Air Canada 793, wind 1606, clear 4 right and left into Charlie 4, contact ground 129.
Cross 24 right, Charlie 4, 219, done. This is 502.
Air Canada 793, wind 1606, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff T3, Air Canada 793.
Air Canada 147 Tower, left runway 23, keep 737 in sight for visual departure.
Roger, keep 737 inside on up and waves running 63, Air Canada 147.
Approaching
Air Canada 745, contact
06
departure
left.
1288, good night.
For departure, Air
Left
Canada
side
745.
clear, right side
That's
clear,
41
clear to
Toronto
cross.
Tower, number 2, Embraer inside mile final, wind 1603, clear to land runway 24 left.
Clear land 2 left, yes, 481.
Charlie 4 first to the left, right?
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah.
Left side clear.
Good evening, ground on this 502, Charlie 4, we're going to gate 528.
Dallas 502, Toronto ground taxi, Delta Echo, hold short of Sierra.
Delta Echo, short 0, on this 502.
actually Dallas 502, my mistake. Turn Charlie 4 Foxtrot and then hold short Foxtrot Alpha.
Okay, Charlie 4, Fox, and short Foxtrot Alpha, Dallas 502.
Motion 2651, contact Island 2165.
2165 Westjet 2651, connect.
So Foxtrot second right, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Check.
Or the